Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Reddit account on mobile. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Reddit app right here. And once we open our Reddit app, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And then after that, to delete your account, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon that is located on the top right corner. And then after that, just scroll down until you see settings. And then after that, just click account settings for your account, which can be located on the general section. So just click that. And then after that, just scroll down all the way down until you see this delete account. So just click delete account. And then after that, just click yes, delete. And then just put your password again. And then after that, just click done right here. And then once you click done, your account will now be automatically and permanently deleted from Reddit. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.